So they say that the probability of being born is 1 in 400 trillion. So we're living, breathing miracles. Every second here on earth is a gift, so never let it slip away. Each day that you're alive, you've got to be better than you were the day before. When life gets hard, we must work harder. Don't make excuses. Learn to face your challenges head on and then conquer them. Refuse to be average, and though the world may try to keep us down, we must prevail. The faith we have in ourselves must exceed all else. We will never be outworked, out-hustled, or outsmarted. If they run 6 miles, we will run 7. If they give it all they have, then we will give it that much more. We will win or die trying, because that is who we are. I have never come across an obstacle that is insurmountable. The world does not provide barriers, it provides unlimited opportunity. If we were to get knocked down, then we're going to get back up and be better because of it. Telling us something can't be done only further ignites our desire to succeed. I know that the road less traveled is difficult, but diverting from it was never an option. The only person responsible for your success is you. So never give up. Keep going. And in our final moments looking back at our lives, we will have no regrets. We will have left no stone unturned. All the sacrifices made, the blood, sweat, and tears, the countless hours put into our craft will not have been in vain. This is what makes a champion. This is who we are.
Follow Leaders of Fire on LinkedIn.